Hello everyone, good afternoon. Hope you are well and have an amazing weekend. It's Saturday, April 30th, 2022. It's around 6 pm and the temperature is 30 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. Now I am at Kandauji Lake in Yangon, Myanmar. Let's enjoy watching the video. As you can see, this is a walking bridge around the lake. This lake was formerly known as the Yangon Royal Lake. It was established during British colonial time. During that time it was known as Yangon Royal Lake. People come here for walking and jogging. It's a wonderful place for walking and jogging. As you can see, people are jogging here. An old man also walking here, as you can see. There are lots of green trees surrounded the lake. It's a beautiful lake indeed. There was a rain shower earlier afternoon. That's why this walking bridge is quite wet now. Bicyclings are not allowed in this bridge. This is basically an artificial lake. During British colonial time, water was supplied from this lake. This is very peaceful place for recreation. As you can see, people are jogging. Nice gentle breeze blowing around. It's a nice afternoon now. The lake is well organized and maintained. As you can see, there are lots of green plants and trees around the lake. These plants are well maintained by the staffs of this lake. This man is jogging. Let's see the atmosphere of this lake. As you can see, there are lots of green trees surrounded the lake. Over there, that is Suidagon Pagoda. That is 2500 years old pagoda. The stupa of this pagoda is made with gold and diamond. This is the atmosphere of the lake. This is really a wonderful place for jogging and recreation. People come here with friends and family and enjoy their spare time in the afternoon. Over there are some gym equipment. Here people can do their exercise, physical exercise. There are lots of bench to sit and relax. As you can see, the walking bridge is quite wet because of rain shower earlier in the afternoon. As you can see, the sun is going to set. It is a wonderful view of sunset. Beautiful greenery surrounded the lake. People are enjoying the walking here. As you can see, people are come with family. This is also a nice place for sightseeing. People who love green plants and nature should come here. This is a nice place for relaxing. As you can see over there, people are trying to catch fishes. There are some fish in the lake. This is a peaceful atmosphere indeed. People are taking photographs here, as you can see. Let's enjoy the sunset view. As you can see over there, the sun is going to set in the west. It's really a beautiful view of sunset rays. A Buddhist lady is praying to Lord Buddha for wellness of universe. People come with family and enjoy taking photograph. As you can see over there are some high-rise buildings. These are a business center. One of these business center name is Kantharia Center. Windham YANGON Hotel also located over there. This is really a wonderful atmosphere now. People like to walk across this walking bridge. As you can see, this man is jogging here. Walking and jogging is good for health. Walking every day for 30 minutes helps to control various kinds of disease. That's why people come here for walking to maintain their fitness. As you can see over there, that is Karawek Bird Palace. This is a mythological bird crying. This was designed by a Burmese architect. This is a Burmese style Karawek Palace. People can enjoy buffet lunch and buffet dinner here. In the evening session, there are some cultural programs in this Karawek Bird Palace. People can watch Myanmar traditional dance and singing here. As you can see, people are enjoying walking with friends. This is well maintained and well disciplined lake indeed. As you can see over there, there are some high-rise building and apartments. These are some modern apartments. All kinds of facilities are available in this apartment. It's really a beautiful view of Kandauji Lake. There are lots of green trees surrounded the lake, as you can see. Green trees enhance the beauty of this lake as well as the city. That's why Yangon is a green city. This is really a mind-boggling natural beauty of the lake. Right now, less crowd in this lake as it's going to sunset now. As you can see, a Buddhist monk is also enjoy walking across this bridge. As you can see, a man is trying to catch some fish here. This is a lake where you can get various kinds of fish also. This is really a cool place for walking. As you can see, people are walking. as the sun already set. It's quite dark now. As you can see over there, that is a Buddhist monastery beside the lake. It's really a beautiful monastery surrounded by green trees. As you can see, this is the view of Buddhist monastery. Buddhist followers come here for their worship, as you can see. What a wonderful view of the Buddhist monastery. As you can see, these are some palm trees. Beautiful sound of birds. This is the Buddhist temple. This is a beautiful flower plants. As you can see, that is Karawek Birch Palace. It is one of the most tourist attractions in Yangon. People can enjoy buffet lunch and dinner, as well as Myanmar traditional dancing and singing in the Karawek Birch Palace. As you can see, a man is doing some physical exercise. It's really a beautiful scenic view of Karawek Birch Palace. This is a wonderful place for sightseeing. As you can see, people are doing some physical exercise. A tree already fall down in the ground, as you can see. This natural beauty of green trees brings the peacefulness in the mind. People who love nature and greenery should come here. Now I'm exiting the lake. This is the entrance and exit point of the lake. Now I am walking across a footpath beside Can Yekthar Street. This is Can Yekthar Street. There are lots of palm trees in a row beside the street, as you can see. These are some palm trees. Over there, that is a playground, as you can see. As you can see over there, people are playing football. Football is one of the popular games in Myanmar. As you can see on the right side, that is Kanthariyar Center. There is a serviced apartment and shopping mall here also. As you can see, people are enjoying their afternoon here. This is Kanthariyar parking area. As you can see over there, that is a shopping mall, shopping center. Marketplace by City Mart, Indian Tarka, Cafe Amazon are located here. You can also take coffee here at Tom and Tom's Coffee. As you can see, people are enjoying their time with family. This is beside Kanthariyar Street. Now I am walking across a footpath beside Can Yekthar Road. As you can see over there, there are some modern buildings. As you can see over there, that is Wyndham Grand. This is a luxurious hotel. This is the signboard of Wyndham Grand Yangon Royal Lake, as you can see. This is a footpath beside Can Yekthar Road in Yangon, Myanmar. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.